This is the epsilon delta definition of a limit of a function fx at x is equal to a, presented in a precise and concise form. In this animation, the vertical band of width 2 delta decreases, the horizontal band of width 2 epsilon also decreases according to the relation epsilon is equal to 3 delta. In this scenario, as x is within distance delta from 2, fx is within a distance epsilon from 7. When epsilon becomes arbitrarily small, the relation continues to hold. Therefore, we say limit of fx is 7 as x approaches to 2.